Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin in the Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a desktop wallet that gives you full control over your Bitcoin. Receiving Bitcoin is simple and Sparrow makes it secure by generating a unique address for each transaction. And before receiving Bitcoin, make sure your wallet is fully synced, and after that you can launch to your Sparrow Wallet here and open the wallet where you want to receive the Bitcoin here. You can select to this receive here. After selecting that, the wallet will open to the receiving address screen. Sparrow will automatically generate a new Bitcoin address. You can see the address. You can also copy the QR if there's any QR if the sender is nearby, and send this address to the person or the service sending you Bitcoin. And once the sender sends the Bitcoin, you will see the transaction appear in the Sparrow under the history or the transaction over here. And initially it will show as the pending, and after network confirmation, usually 1 to 6 confirmation depending on the sender's fee, balance will update. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.